Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pause Instagram Reels. First, ensure that your Instagram application is up to date and you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Reels section by tapping on the Reels icon. When you tap on a video, it will mute and unmute, but pausing it requires a different action. To pause an Instagram Reel, simply press and hold the video. As you can see, pressing and holding the reel will pause it, and releasing your hold will resume the video. It's that simple. Let's go through it one more time. Press and hold the reel to pause, and release to play. This method is straightforward and easy to use. However, if you experience any glitches, there are additional steps you can take. First, press and hold the Instagram application icon and select App Info. From there, force stop the app, then go to Storage Cache and clear the cache. After completing this, open the Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and check for updates. If there are no updates available, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. That's all for this video. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this guide was helpful.